Geomembranes are essential to many major industries, including construction, mining, oil and gas, waste management, and agriculture. The geomembranes form an impenetrable barrier that prevents hazardous contaminants and toxic chemicals from leaking into the ground. To protect our natural water systems and soils, we must ensure geomembranes are installed and tested properly. During installation, geomembrane panels are welded together by qualified installers. Standard quality control procedures can only test the welded seams and not the entire system. Although these tests are effective to some extent, most of the geomembrane panels remain untested. Geomembranes are quite thin and susceptible to damage. In fact, 73% of damage occurs during soil placement, 24% occurs during installation, and 2% occurs during post-construction. In most cases, damage was caused by stones, heavy equipment, and seam welding. The environmental impacts of leaking containment systems includes contamination and pollution of soils and groundwater, underground erosion, slope instability, and loss of valuable clean water. Moreover, a negative public image, loss of operations, and other financial burdens may result. So, what's the solution? Electrical leak location (ELL) surveys are proven to be the most effective means of finding leaks in geomembrane systems. ELL surveys can be performed on bare geomembranes and even those covered with earthen materials, water, or wastewater. Electricity is introduced above the geomembrane and grounded to the conductive layer below it. Because geomembranes are electrically isolative, the testing equipment detects the current as it travels through any holes in the geomembrane. In fact, many U.S. states have made leak detection mandatory for certain applications, and many more are expected to do the same. We anticipate Canada to adopt similar regulations. That's why Penteco has partnered with TRI Environmental, the best leak location specialist in the industry, to offer this service to the Canadian market. We provide custom ELL designs and specifications and perform ELL surveys using the most advanced equipment available. Our mission is to provide advanced products and services to help mitigate the impacts on our environment. Be part of the solution and set your next project up for success. Penteco.ca/ELL #PentecoCares